In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Slack and Notion to streamline your workflow. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to stay on top of updates and notifications without having to switch between apps constantly. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have both Slack and Notion open in your browser. Having these handy will allow you to quickly navigate between them as we set things up. Once you've got both open, head over to Notion and click on Settings. Here, you'll want to look for the Integrations option. This is where you'll create an integration specifically for Slack. Click through to start the process. As you create this integration, Notion will prompt you to authorize Slack to access your Notion workspace. This is a crucial step. By granting this permission, you're enabling Slack to receive updates and notifications from Notion. The authorization process will guide you through a quick series of steps where you'll log in and allow permission. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully and completely, as missing a step here could mean Slack won't be able to receive notifications as intended. Now with that set up, let's configure your notification settings. In Notion, choose the pages or databases you really want to monitor. You might have a specific project or document where real-time updates are crucial, so focus on those. By configuring these notifications, you'll ensure that any changes or updates on these Notion pages trigger alerts that will pop up in Slack. This way, you're not flooded with unnecessary notifications, only the ones that matter most to your productivity. Before wrapping things up, it's always wise to test the integration to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Go into Notion and try creating or updating a page that you've set up to monitor. Once you make a change, switch over to Slack and check for the notification. This test will confirm that the systems are communicating correctly, and you'll receive the alerts just as you've configured. And that's it! You've now successfully integrated Slack with Notion, allowing you to receive timely updates right in your Slack channels. This setup not only alleviates the need for constant app switching, but also enhances your workflow efficiency by keeping you promptly informed of any crucial changes. Enjoy the improved productivity with this integration, and feel free to revisit your settings as needed to refine which updates you receive. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.